Create a new file. My file is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Select the polygon tool. Select shape. Pick a fill color. And select no color for the stroke. Set the number of sides to 9. Make the polygon. Make the width and height both 1000 pixels. Make the star ratio 45%. Select the Move tool. Place the star in the center of the canvas. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the polygon layer. Then press Ctrl+T. Connect the width and height with the chain icon. Make the width 90%. The height should also be 90% now. Rotate the star 20 degrees. Change the fill color of this star. Create a new layer. Select the ellipse tool. Make the fill color the same as the large star. Make the stroke the same color as the background. Make the stroke width 10 pixels. Hold Shift while creating the shape to make a perfectly round circle. Make the width and height 350 pixels. Select the Move tool. Place the circle in the center of your sun. And that's how you create this minimalistic sun.